Hi everybody. Today I will talk about observable and how to store property in map. First of all, I open a new project and with the hello and function main. And inside this, I define the user class. We have the property name is the name of the user, and I import the delegate to user observable. And the current address is a property that using delegate.observable. Observable means that it will notify when the current address or the property change. The first parameter is initialize value or the init value of current address, and the block here is called when the current address change. When it change to news value, it will run this block or run this function. So inside this we have a lambda function, and the lambda function here we have the prop means the property, the old address and new address. You can change this name depending your purpose, but I use old address and new address with this order. So you can add multiple line here. By printing address is changing, you have to change address, etc. And we print out that the old address and the new address means that the old will be changed to the new, and the property name. Okay, and here you create a new object, and this object has the name user name of Nguyễn Đức Hoàng, for example, and you set the current address to this address. For example, the multi-line, you can use this for multi-lines, and then the current address change, it means it will call to the observable. So after running, you see that from no address to this address, no address is the initialized address, and the new address is the address I have just assigned. Okay, so what about how to change multiple time? Okay, you can change multiple time. You can change now, you can change later the current address, or you can, for example, you change to Bạch Mai Street, Hanoi, Vietnam, and run. So you see that now we have the property has changing from this value to the new value. Bạch Mai Street, Hanoi, Vietnam is the new value. Okay, so in this block or in this lambda function, you can add more tasks to here to do when you change the value. Now I will talk about how to store property in a map. A map is a key value pair. We have the name is a key, the value is Nguyễn Đức Hoàng is a value, and this is the value and key like in JSON object. For example, we have a user object, and the user object has it's a mutable map. The mutable means that this can be changed. This is changeable, and the value is any object, and the key is string. Key is string, and the value is any, means that any object type, and it is the key and value. And you can assign or initialize with the key is the name, is a key, and the Đức Hoàng is value. So it is key to value. Okay, after assigning this, we have an object with the map, and inside the map we have a key and value pair for the property. You can get using get value, you call the get value, and from the key get value mean get value from the key. For example, from name we have Nguyễn Đức Hoàng, and from age we have 35. Okay, so running, you see that we have a user detail name Đức Hoàng and age is 35. Okay, and this is a way to use. You can also add a map to a property of the class, and you also set is for example icon set to set the new value. For example, you set the age to the new age of 40. Yes. So after running, you can see the value before setting and after setting. So we have the before and after. So we have a two value, before and after set the value. Okay, using the set. And okay, now so you can add to an existing class. We have a customer class with a map object, and the map object is a property of map. String key is string and value is any object. So inside this I can add the properties that mapping to the map object by using by will map to the existing property of the map. Then you can define the object here as a customer, and the property is a map up here, and the map will be changed to the property by mapping using the by syntax. So in this case you can map from the object of key value to a regular object. Then you can call the object as a regular object by dot name and dot age. Yes. So now we have the detail here and run to see that the custom detail is name is here zone and the age is 30. Okay, and you can okay. So this is very important, when you want to set the value from values that you get from the internet for HTTP